If Photoshop is giving you error 501, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Photoshop error 501 quickly and safely using a few simple methods. This error is usually related to your GPU, graphics driver, or a corrupted Photoshop graphics configuration. And the good news is that it can often be fixed in just a few minutes. So if Photoshop won't open properly, crashes on launch, or shows this error after an update, follow along step by step. And before we get into it, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes just like this. Alright, let's start with the fastest fix first. Open Photoshop on your computer. If it loads, go up to the top menu and click Edit, then Preferences, and then Performance. In the performance settings, look for the option that says Use Graphics Processor. This setting controls whether Photoshop uses your GPU for acceleration, and if your graphics card or driver is causing the problem. This option can trigger error 501. Uncheck Use Graphics Processor, then click OK to save the change. After that, close Photoshop completely and restart it. If Photoshop opens normally after disabling the GPU, that tells you the graphics processor is the main cause of the error. This is one of the most common fixes because Photoshop sometimes has trouble with unstable or unsupported GPU acceleration. If the error still appears, the next step is to update your graphics driver. This is the recommended fix because an outdated, broken, or incompatible driver can easily cause Photoshop error 501. To do that, identify your graphics card brand, such as NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, then go to the official website for that manufacturer. Download the latest driver for your exact graphics card and operating system. Once the driver is installed, restart your computer so the changes fully apply. After the restart, open Photoshop again and check whether the error is gone. If Photoshop still shows the same problem, the last method is to reset Photoshop preferences. Corrupted preferences can cause strange behavior, including GPU-related errors, startup issues, and performance problems. To reset Photoshop preferences, close Photoshop first, then reopen it while holding the shortcut for resetting preferences, depending on your version of Photoshop and your operating system. If needed, you can also reset preferences from inside the app or remove the preferences file manually, but the main goal is to restore Photoshop to its default configuration. Once the reset is complete, launch Photoshop again and test it. In many cases, one of these three methods will fix the issue: disabling the GPU, updating the graphics driver, or resetting Photoshop preferences. If Photoshop opens after the first method, you already know the problem was the graphics processor. If not, the driver update and preference reset usually solve it. So just to recap, Photoshop error 501 is typically caused by GPU incompatibility, an outdated driver, or a corrupted graphics configuration, and the safest way to fix it is to work through these steps in order. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and leave a comment if you want help with another Photoshop error. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.